Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today, and it's really great to do another video for you today. So I just want to say before I get into the video, thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Also for commenting and also just agreeing with me. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have been doing well. I hope you guys have been learning and earning. I also hope you guys have been stacking strategies daily, whether I mention it to you or not. It should be like let's say you get up and you have to eat or brush your teeth, right? Or take a shower. It's the same thing. Spend some time, maybe 10 minutes or a 5 minutes, just to uh claim some stash wishes to your wallet of wishes or your speed wallet. So you can use any one of those lightning wallets, or you have other lightning wallets. I'm gonna do a video where I show you guys the different lightning wallets that you can open. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video because not only you can use the wallet of Satoshis or the speed, but there are others, right? So yeah, just stack a little bit each day. It could be 5 stats per day, it could be 20 stats, or even just 50. It's up to you, right? I aim for as much as I can. I don't put like, oh, I want to earn this. I do it with like um when it comes to like earning on a money making app. I will say, okay, I want to try and earn this amount, right? But when it comes to Satoshis, I know that it's not an unlimited asset, so I just try to earn as much as possible, right? Okay, so yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do here, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what has been going on in my trading portfolio. Remember, when it comes to money making apps, there are different categories that I share with you guys, or I split, right? And it's from money making apps to uh, trading apps and also investment apps, right? And then you have self custody for the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. So it all go in stages. So yes, guys. So today I'm gonna share with you, basically for my um just my custody um apps. I don't really share those one with you guys, but my trading um portfolios I do share with you guys until a certain level. Once it reach a certain cap, I just let it stay, because I told you guys that I could do more with $1 than with $100. I share that with you guys, that I've learned that about myself. So I don't try to trade um big portfolios to share with you guys. I try to leave um those portfolios to just run and spots only. Yeah. So yes, guys. So let's now go into the trading accounts, and I'm gonna show you guys what has been going on. Right. So yes, guys. So the first one I'm gonna go into is the one that has the more cap. So yeah, and it is my Margex account. So you guys know that I think it was 2 months now. I started with $15 um USD US dollar, right? So and now my account is sitting at $200. You can see how much Bitcoin is worth. Now I did wanted to go ahead and withdraw the Bitcoin off the platform, but I'm gonna show you guys what happened. So you can see the minimum of the withdrawal, right? And then also you can see at the bottom of the screen it says minor fee. You can see how much is the fee. Okay, if I should rough it out to US dollars so you guys can understand exactly what's been going on. If I'm gonna pull this off to put in a self custody, or maybe on a different different wallet where I basically, or trading platform where I basically KYC or something like that, because I also keep some of my cryptocurrency on KYC platforms and then on different platforms, and then self custody. So now you can see in Bitcoin value the minimum to withdraw, and you can see how much I have. So I don't have enough. I have available 0.0017, and they need 0.002. Not only that, they do need a fee at the bottom of the screen, you can see, which is 0.00025, right? So in dollar value, this fee would be like $30, or yeah, at $30 to 50, depending on the price of Bitcoin. And this um now when I check, and the minimum to cash out would be like $200. Now I'm gonna show you guys my assets, right? Because I tried to take off my Bitcoin off the platform into self custody, right? But what happened is that I don't have enough. So the next thing I want to share with you guys is the amount of Bitcoin I have. You can see I have in dollar value $171.46. So I'm not able. So what I'm gonna do, I will have to buy more Bitcoin. The reason why I'm sharing with you guys in the dollar value is so you guys can understand. Maybe you're new, but normally if I was to just say something, I will just use Bitcoin. So yes guys, so basically I need 0.002 Bitcoin to take my earnings off. I am very, very close, right? So what I'm gonna do, um yes guys. So as of right now, when it comes to my trading platform, you can see I have no position open. I've closed all my trade. I could show you guys how I have been earning. You can see my profit. My biggest profit was on a Ethereum, and I basically cashed out. I basically cashed out. Not sure. Ethereum. Where's the Ethereum? Ethereum. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'm looking for it to share with you guys. Okay, so here, right? Okay, so here, one is here and another one. So you can see my biggest cash out was a $50 on an Ethereum long, yeah. And I've take out some $15 and stuff like that ordered. So that's how I was able to basically go ahead and actually um trade. And I said this to you guys, I've learned this about myself, and I share it with you guys. I could do a lot with $1 than with $100. Now that my portfolio is just here for me, so basically what I did, I don't know about anyone else, but I think I was the first person to take profit once I saw the market goes up, and then after that I did it right. I didn't sell it at the top. I think I sold my Ethereum once it was up 5%, and I think Ethereum was up 9% in a day. Let's check. Oh, 7%. So it was up 7%, and I sold mine when it hit 5%, right? And I just let it watch it goes, right? And my Bitcoin, I wasn't in any Bitcoin trade when the market goes up, because what happened at I was in some Bitcoin trade and I closed, right? So that's the reason why. And then I didn't bother to chase prices. No, I don't chase prices. So I wasn't in a Bitcoin trade. This is the reason why I can't show you guys a Bitcoin profit, because I closed out my Bitcoin and I was only in altcoin. The reason being is that I think it was about like $6,000 to 100,000. So I'm thinking maybe they're gonna be a massive pullback. So I don't wanna like risk it. So that's the reason why. And as you guys can see, my portfolio is hitting this $200, 200 and $205. This is no longer I'm gonna play a risky portfolio. I play a risky portfolio with cents and dollars, not with $100 or $200. That's just me personally. As you guys can see, I will be taking more trades, but only if the market have a pullback, not a pullback, a retracement, right? So yes, guys, I was watching um Garrett Soloway, and he was saying that when he connects the trend line and stuff like that, because we do, I do look at those things to make trades, also to make big trades. The trend line was tapping, tapping. So basically, you know, there's going to be a small pullback. So I won't be going to any trade until I see that pullback. If I don't see that pullback, I basically just let this stay in uh uh spot, no futures trades, only spot. And then once my portfolio is in balance, I basically go back and balance it. So this is the reason why I want to share with you with this Margex account. Now we're gonna go to our another account. The next account is my Blofin account. Now you guys know that I was doing some futures trading on Blofin and I got liquidated. I wasn't able to earn back the money with money making apps, free money making apps to put back into Blofin to actually take any futures trade. I am very close into cashing out. But the thing is, remember I told you guys I won't be doing any money making cash out this month, this year rather. So any trade that I'll be making on my Blofin account will be in the new year when I basically go ahead and cash out my earnings to this trading platform, right? So if I go into my assets, you can see I only have spot position and I have in dollar value because I think you guys understand it better when I say dollar value. $15 in Bitcoin, $5 Solana, $3 in Doge, $3 in Ethereum, and $2 in Cardano, and $1 in Shiba Inu, and Polygon ecosystem token. I have $1, right? No, I don't have $1. I have 60 cents. Yeah. And when I say rebalancing my portfolio, let's say now Shiba Inu goes up to like a $5. I will take some of that earning and I put into Bitcoin or Solana or Ethereum and just balance back out my portfolio. And that's how I do it, right? So yes, I don't go more than seven stocks, not stocks, um seven tokens in my portfolio, right? Because I think it's overwhelming when it's too much. I just focus on seven. So the numbers that I like are 14, 7, and 4. And that's what, if I'm gonna put more into this account, I'm gonna put it at 14. Because now I have 7, I'm gonna put it at 14. I just it just balanced my mind for me. So I'll do that just to have clarity and everything. So yes, guys. So this is what my Blofin account look like. I haven't taken any trade. I want to share something with you guys. You can see here on my Weex account. It says futures trade successful. Your Cardano USDT futures position has successfully closed. Closing amount at 10 Cardano, right? So yeah. So now I'm going to share with you guys what has been going on in my Weex account. So all of these platforms that I share with you right now are non-KYC, meaning you don't have to use your ID or your bill or your cable bill or anything, your light bill, your cable bill, any of those to start trading or start holding your asset. right? So yes, guys. So just to keep that into consideration, you can just trade naturally with no KYC. You just use your email address and a password, and you can do that. Or you can just sign up strictly with your Google account. That's it. So now we're gonna go to our Weex account. Now, do you guys remember how much I was struggling with this account? Because I did play some trades and I got liquidated from those trades. I go back again and I place some more trades. And at one point, my account was sitting at $3, another point, $5. And today, I'm here to say my account is sitting at $7. And that's really, really great. And I'm just talking about the US dollar value. But what I like to do, put it on Bitcoin so I know how much Bitcoin is there. And you can see, guys, in the Bitcoin value at the top and the US dollar value at the bottom. That's how I like to keep it. So yes, guys. Now let's go over to our asset. So this account, which is the Weex account, holds two accounts. A futures account where you can trade the market up and down in a future outcome, right? And then you have the spot, which is where you buy the underlying asset and hold it for a capital gain. So I'm going to firstly go into my spot account. You can see I hold the VX token, right? Dollar value is 8 cents. I hold some Ethereum, dollar value a dollar. And I basically hold some Celestia, which is TIA. This is the ticker, 55 cents. Some Cardano, $2. Atom, 66 cents. So that's it. I don't hold any Bitcoin here yet because I haven't have enough funds. So the reason why I hold some Atom and Celestia, because I open a new KYC platform where I'll be storing some of my long-term uh earnings and also be earning yield. So I will use my future trading account to fund my spot account. Then I will transfer my spot account to my new brokerage account and stake those token to earn passively. So you guys, that's how I use from free money making apps to trading apps to actually earning passively. I will show you guys of the step-by-step process. So don't worry. Okay, guys. This video is getting a little bit long, but this is my last app where I'll show you guys. Okay. Remember, guys, if you're interested in earning with free money making apps to build portfolios, all of that, you can comment on my channel and let me know, right? And you can also follow me step by step the way I do it. If you don't understand something, you can explain to me. I keep getting um this comment about transferring something to um Binance account or something like that. I don't know if it's a bot or something, but I just like it's the same thing over and over, so I just try to leave it. But I know if I see something once and I comment on it and the person reacts back to me, I know that I'm being of help. But with those messages, I used to comment on those trying to help, but I realized that they will be like no comment, or I will keep getting the same message. So I think it's a bot or something. So I just leave those. But of course, I will help you answer your question as best as possible. So yes, guys. And if you don't understand, I explain. You can ask again. I will explain. And if you don't understand, you can ask again. I will do a video. I will share and I'll explain to you guys so you guys can understand it. You can also teach your friend, teach your child, and you can do it by yourself. Right? So yes, guys. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go into my futures account, right? Remember, guys, I always say to you, I can do much with $1 than, I don't know, I don't know. I just think that I don't know, I can spend a dollar, I can invest a dollar to let it grow. But when it reach a certain amount, I is like, okay, so what do I do with this $100? Then what do I? But if it's a dollar, if it's $5, I know exactly what to do. So that's just the thing. Because I feel like, okay, if I lose this $5, okay. So I feel that I think when it's too much, my brain is overeating personally. When it's a little bit, I'm like, "Huh, okay, let's see how I'm gonna make this to 100. So that's just the thing. So yes, guys, that's why I mainly focus on passive portfolios. Some people they can trade for a living, like they trade daily and cash out daily, and that's okay with them because they have the brain for that, right? For me, I think I have the brain um for a certain everyone is different. So for me, I think when it's no risk, like it's just risk, like it's just risk it, I will just risk everything and that's it. But when I'm like, okay, if I risk this, I could lose it, and I know like this could do something. But if this could can't do, like, I'm gonna only buy sweets with this, or maybe this is just like change, but I'm really gonna just put down in my piggy bank or something. So that's the time I will risk it, right? And I'm comfortable with that. But when it comes to like $100, $200, $500, I rather to keep them in spot so I don't. Uh, Even though I'm risking, but I am not like 1 day risking. I'm like a 2 year, 3 year risking because the asset will still be there and it can also go up over time. So yes, guys. So now I want to show you guys the trade that I take. How do I show you guys? Okay, I guess here, no, here. My orders. Okay, here. So what happened is I was in you can see how I was getting liquidated. So on my Bitcoin Cash liquidated 97%, my Cardano liquidated 95%, and my Litecoin liquidated 143%. And that's the thing when it comes to trading. I told you guys, you will get liquidated, you will lose, but over time you basically will start learning from your mistake. That's the reason why starting with cents and dollars, just to, even if you're starting with a new money making app, you need, even if you're a perfectly good trader and you're starting with a new platform, it's better to start small and get the hang of the platform. Once you get the hang of the platform, then you'll just feel better, then you'll know how to make proper trades. And that's what I personally do. So yes, guys. So even though I haven't earned back the the I haven't earned fully the money that I lost. I haven't earned everything back as yet. I think I did, because if you look at the realized price, right? This is 16 cents, 16 cents, 33 cents. If you had those up, I think you would get 60 something. I'd say 80. Just put it at less than a dollar, and I've made back $1.07. So I made back everything with just one trade. You understand that, guys? Yeah, when you see realize P&L, you can see, right? For these three, I lost. Okay, there's more. There's more? No, there's no more. Because it says no more data. Okay, at the bottom of the screen here. Yeah. So just three trades I lost, and one I earned back everything. So that's really, really good. So yes, guys, and this is how I basically do it. Everything is sitting in Let's Pass. These are all my orders. right? Okay, these are all my orders, right? Ones I open, ones I close. So yeah. So now we're gonna go back. I have no trades open, nothing. Everything is on spot. When the market is up, I have take my profit. I keep everything in spot and just let the market run if it's gonna continue to run. If it runs to a certain point and my portfolio is in balance, I just go ahead and balance my portfolio and let it run again and see what happens. But only if it um dips or retrace back to the cream of this crime, then I'll basically go ahead and actually take more trades, right? So yes, guys. So basically, I have $1, you can see here, and 86 cents in my portfolio now that I can use and trade. And this dollar will be $5 soon, and that $5 will be $10. I will continue to double until I reach $100 or more, and then I'll just leave it or take the money out and just start over again. So yes, guys. So basically, what I want to say to you guys is this is basically how I do it. It sounds like 1, 2, 3, and maybe it sounds like ha ra 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 ra, but step by step. The first thing is to earn with free money making apps. And earning with free money making app is not as easy as it seems, right? So it's not like, oh, you will click a button, or maybe you do, but you have to click a button a million times, right? And then you will earn for 20 days, and then you will earn maybe $2, right? But with that $2, you can double it, and you can double it, and you can continue to double. Okay, let me say this to you guys. Do you know that what when your money is sitting there, it is losing, value, right? So why not have an account that is also giving you interest on your money? So as your money is sitting there losing, you also have an account that is sitting there gaining. So at the end of the year, you're balanced. You get back what they have taken from inflation taken from you, you get back by yield or you get back by staking. Isn't that fair? I think that's very, very fair. So you guys have the tools. Like I was listening to a podcast. This video is getting very, very long, but I'm just gonna share this with you guys, and this will be the end of the video, right? I was listening to a podcast, right? And the podcaster was saying that basically before to buy a stock, you have to go on the phone, you have to call this place, and then they have to place the stock, the order for you. And then it depends on the time of the day, because sometimes you may call and then the amount that you need, they don't have it. Like the units, like let's say you want 5 units, but you call around 4 o'clock, and the stock market is gonna close at 3 o'clock, at 4:30, and you call it 4, right? They only have like 3 units now. It's either you're gonna take the 3 units or you have to come back tomorrow when somebody sells some more unit, right? And that's just the way. And let's say you want to sell, right? But okay, you want to sell now, but how much unit you want to sell? Okay, I want to sell 25 units. 25 units, but we only have 20 units. Somebody has to go ahead and basically buy some more so you can get your sell price. So it was just, and you have to be on that phone, and that time that you should be putting in yourself, building your knowledge and understanding, you're on the phone talking about buy this for me, sell this for me, revalue this for me. Right now you just have your phone and you can download it. Not only that, you can walk and earn. I'm just walking to the grocery store, I'm earning satoshis. I'm just walking around vacuuming the house, I'm earning satoshis. So guys, think the opportunity is there. Why not use it, right? And I know sometimes you might say, oh, I'm earning this, I'm earning that, and it's all going back into groceries, bills, and everything. That's the reason why you have to have multiple passive income. I was listening to, I think it's Justin or Tristan and Andrew Tate, they're brothers, right? And Justin was saying, he focused on cash flow. A person can have more wealth than he does, but at the end of the day, he has more cash flow. So more cash is flowing through his hand in a week, in a day, in a month than some people have, because you're getting that money. You have that money. Let's say you have 10 houses, right? But you in order for you to get $100 now, you will have to, I don't know, take out a new credit card or take a loan from the bank, because you can't sell your house like for $100. But with him, that $10,000 is just coming passively daily. Oops, oops. So you know, so that's and to me, I think that is more important, because let's say you want to pay your internet bill, or you want to, your jacket got ripped, because plenty of times I saw people like coming in the subway, the jacket got stuck in the door and it just like destroy the jacket, right? Destroy the bag or something that they're holding, right? And if you have cash flow, you could easily replace your bag or basically fix it. But with no cash flow, what, that's a pressure. What am I gonna do? So that's the thing. And just to consider what kind of person you are. If you're the kind of person who would rather the wealth without the liquidity, or the liquidity with low wealth. So that's the thing. As time goes by, maybe you're gonna build a balanced portfolio. But I think cash flow is really good for this new generation. Cash flow with is really good. So yeah. And this is what I basically share with you guys. Or we can just build portfolio that basically just earn while you're sleeping, you're cooking, you're earning a two satoshis a day, four satoshis a day, and you're um basically you don't earn that, but in dollar value, two satoshis, I don't know how much that would be, but you're earning like maybe then a $3 a day or $4 a day, and over a week or time that do adds up, guys. So yeah. So before I end the video, again, guys, I want to say thank you for watching my videos. Honestly, guys, I hope you guys are really earning, and I also hope you guys have been learning. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, right? I want you to understand the basically the trend of the market and the society that we're living in now, right? So you guys can basically go ahead and make your portfolio according to that. Guys, thank you so much for liking, for sharing, for commenting. Really appreciate you guys. And I also just want to say thank you again. Before I go, guys, I just want to say always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.